Alrighty. Been trying to get some more firewood cut. At least we get to have good looking scenery around us. As you can see, we've got all kinds of dead wood we can cut up. That's all. We're pretty much good on the smaller wood now. We're just trying to cut some bigger stuff up, have it split up. We've got some left over to get the year started with, but this here, we probably got enough torn up about January, February. This here can be a drying out more. And here's a little old pond we've got up here. And then our bigger pond is on down the line there. But no, we'll get some more of this firewood cut up and we'll show you here in just a few minutes. Alrighty, this is what it would have looked like if we'd got the footage for cutting the firewood, but we do have the footage of us splitting the firewood. Alrighty folks, we was cutting some wood the other day. I think I've showed you this before. Here's our homemade wood splitter, made out of a old backhoe boom. We'll split a little bit of wood here today. Alrighty, but yeah, most of the time Daniel, we'll swap out. He'll run the lever back there. He just got to watch he don't cut my fingers off. I got to watch when he's doing, I don't cut his off. We don't have too many safety guards on it here. Alrighty, let's get started. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Lord willing, we'll be a seeing you Wednesday. Thank you again for watching.